This is the one that I came across last Saturday. So we will solve this, guys. We have x plus x is equal to 4. That would be x plus x is 2x equals 4. And that is, to solve for x, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the answer is 2. And then we have y plus y is equal to 6. So that is y plus y is 2y is equal to 6. That is equal to, solving for y, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So y is equal to 3. The next, z times z is equal to 9. So z times z is z squared, that is 9. So square root of z squared is z. Square root of 9 is 3. Okay, so let us now go to the last one. X plus y, what is x? 2. What is y? 3 times z is 3. So that would be, remember the MDAS, multiplication left to right, division left to right, addition, and then subtraction left to right. So we have here multiplication. We will do first multiplication. So we have 2 plus 3 times 3 is 9. That is 11. So this is equals to 11. Okay? Is that very clear to you guys? Thank you for following. Good night.